Rabbits are small mammals who have short, fluffy tails, whiskers, and long ears. There are over 50 species of rabbits in the world, living on every continent except Antarctica, and were introduced into Australia. Rabbits have 3 to 4 breeding periods every year, as 85% of all newborn rabbits will die before the age of 1. Each pregnancy will produce up to 8 kits, which are baby rabbits. They mature at 3 months of age. Rabbits are herbivores as they do not consume meat. Their diet includes vegetables, grass, twigs, buds, and some herbs. A wild rabbit habitat is largely dependent on the species of rabbit and the environment in which they occupy. An average bunny will cover an area equivalent to 30 football pitches in the wild. Over time, humans have domesticated rabbits and kept them as pets in pens. This is a dramatic change to their natural habitat, which ranges from farmlands to woods. Rabbits are animals of prey in their natural wild environment. Their biggest predator in Australia is the fox, which was also introduced into Australia. Rabbits have adapted to their prey lifestyle by evolving eyes that rotate 360 degrees and very large ears that stretch out, allowing them to hear predators. Rabbits pose an intimate threat to the environment and are considered a huge pest in Australia. When they were first introduced into Australia in 1859, they rapidly spread and led to the extinction of many plant species as rabbits destructed many large vegetation tracts. This in turn caused exposed soil to become hard and unable to provide the nutrients required to grow vegetation. Rabbits also threaten the survival of a number of native animal species by altering habitat, reducing native food sources, displacing small animals from burrows, and attracting introduced predators such as foxes. Rabbits are believed to have contributed to the decline or the disappearance of a number of species in Australia, including the bandicoot and the bilby. It has been estimated that Australian agriculture loses more than $115 million a year because of overgrazing by rabbits. Rabbits do not pose any immediate threat to human safety. Rabbit welfare in Australia is a huge priority. Rabbits are one of the most neglected domesticated animals. Many Australians who own rabbits are ignorant and uneducated in rabbit care. Though wild rabbits are seen as pests in Australia, domesticated rabbits kept as pets are often adopted and then discarded. Many RSPCA shelters do not accept mistreated or abandoned domesticated rabbits, as the sheer number that are needed to be rehomed every year is too many for them to take in. Over 95% of rabbits that go through the RSPCA in shelter care in Australia are euthanised, as they cannot be rehomed. A specific concern in regards to rabbit health and welfare is that many rabbit owners do not understand the specific needs of rabbits. Domesticated rabbits are very similar to wild rabbits and exhibit some similar behaviour. Pet rabbits, along with wild rabbits, are social animals and are highly territorial. They are not designed to live alone, as wild rabbits live in large social groups. They groom each other and huddle for warmth. Rabbits who are living alone for long periods of time can experience high levels of stress and anxiety. They also share the same need to run, jump, explore, and share companionship with their own kind, so their accommodation must allow them to display these natural behaviours.